Guys, today I will show you how to set up a byte bot to advertise yourself or do anything. Uh, we will use Node.js and Furry's byte API. So first of all, you need to install Node.js. You can search for Node.js on your search engine and you will get a site named nodejs.org. When you visit nodejs.org, you should click current or LTS. It doesn't actually matter that much, but I mostly go with LTS. So it should download in a pretty quick time because it's not that big of a file. And we should launch it when it downloads. When it's loading, you can create the script. You will first need to create a folder. You can name the folder anything. I will name it just byte. Okay, so here's our folder named byte. Then we are going to get this script here. It says example of a follow, like, subscribe bot. This is the script we need here. We will now go into this folder and create a new file. It's going to be a text document. So you should now open this text document and go ahead and copy this and paste it on your text document. When you pasted this, you should go to File, Save As, and this step is really important. You see Save As type here, and you should click it and select all files. Now you should delete the whole file name here and name this index.js. It doesn't matter if it's index or not, but the .js part is important because if it's not a JavaScript file, it won't run. We save it as an index.js file, and we now install Node on our computer. You could just click next on every step, it doesn't really matter. There is no important step here. Okay, so you should click finish when it is installed. So this is our file manager here, and we have index here. You can either go ahead and launch CMD from here and do CD, but it just takes a longer time. So you'll click here, the empty section of this, and you will type CMD. It is CMD. You'll click enter. First of all, we need to get our account token. So we are going to type npx byte-auth. When we type that, it should install the script and launch it for us. This script is to log into your Byte account without needing to hassle with packet sniffing to get your account token. Now you should go to this URL. You can copy it with control key and C. We should go to this URL now, and we should authorize our account. You need a Google account for this. If you are planning to use your Apple account, I will make a different tutorial, but this only works on Google accounts for now. I don't have any account here, so let me log into one. And it will give you this key. Now you copy this. And to paste it, you can either use Ctrl V or click your right click button. When we click it, it should paste it here, and we should click enter. Do you want to sign up? It will ask that because I never signed up with this account. If you are going to use your own account, it shouldn't ask for that. I will click Y and click enter. Username, it is now asking for a username to use. It could be like test account. Okay, and this is our account token here. We will copy this account token from here and again with Ctrl C, and we will change it with this field here. It says your authorization token. We are going to change that. These are the randomized comments that the bot is going to make. It could either say nice, cool, welcome, awesome, or this thing. You can customize them yourself. For example, follow point. and you will save the file from here, save, and now you need to run the script. You should first install a library. To do that, you will type npm I byte-api. Okay, so our library is now installed, like downloaded. To check that, you should now have a node modules here. Previously, you wouldn't have that. So now we are going to run our script. You type node. If you named your file index, you can just put a dot here and click enter. If you use the custom file name, you will need to type the custom file name here, and you will include .js too, and you will click enter. When you click enter, the script should start running. It's pretty easy. If you have any problems, do not hesitate to ask. See ya.